Would you love to ride that anti-gravity craft land speeder in Star Wars? Well, now it's not a dream anymore. Swedish startup Jetson has officially unveiled its Jetson ONE, a personal electric aerial vehicle. This single-passenger vehicle consists of an all-aluminum airframe chassis that houses a high-discharge lithium-ion battery capable of a max output of 88 kilowatts. The pilot sits in a carbon/Kevlar composite bucket seat and is strapped down with a safety harness. Additional reinforced panels around the torso, head and legs keep the pilot well protected inside the cell. The final key element is a ballistically deployed parachute that in the absolutely worst-case scenario can bring the aircraft and its precious cargo down safely. Additionally, the Jetson ONE is equipped with LiDAR sensors that drive terrain tracking and obstacle avoidance. At 86 kg or 190 pounds, the Jetson ONE is also collapsible to 90 cm wide when not in use. The global industry for electric vertical takeoff or eVTOL technology and commercial aerial transportation has over 150 different companies developing their own flying cars, but nearly all of them remain in the development stage. Other eVTOL vehicles like HT Aero's X2 and Volocopter, who have shown proof of concepts, but have yet to deliver any of their vehicles to consumers. So I think this Jetson ONE is very good news for us. Well, it's $92,000 news, but a good news nonetheless. And there is still a limitation to battery technology of today, but flight time has been increased to 15 to 20 minutes, depending on pilot weight and flight conditions. And I'm sure we will eventually go to hours of battery life, given times. Jetson ONE also uses swappable batteries that greatly shorten time to prepare it for takeoff. All in all, a slower rotating efficient propeller was able to produce more thrust, being much more quiet in operation at the same time. With its latest announcement, Jetson hopes to bring its new ONE personal electric aerial vehicle to customers in 2022. Thomas Patton, Jetson founder and technical director, spoke about the design that went into the production version of the Jetson ONE. The Jetson ONE is built around a rigid aluminum space frame with 8 powerful electric motors. It utilizes composite carbon fiber and cutting-edge 3D printed components, making it an extremely lightweight design. It is also equipped with many safety features, including a redundant propulsion system and a ballistic parachute. When the first Jetson ONEs make their way to customers next year, they will see flight times of 20 minutes for 85 kg maximum pilot weight and will be able to fly at a top speed of 102 km/h. Now that its flagship eVTOL has officially launched, co-founder Peter Turnstrom spoke about the Jetson's goals. Our mission is to make flight available to everyone. The Jetson ONE is an electric helicopter that you can own and fly. We intend to make everyone a pilot. A dozen customers around the world will become the first Jetson ONE eVTOL pilots next year, as the company is initially rolling out 12 chassis in 2022, all of which have been reserved. Jetson is currently offering 5 more Jetson ONE chassis for its 2023 production schedule, 2 of which have already been reserved. So, what do you guys think of this? Give me your thought in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.